Following guided math steps at work, one step at a time. It's payday at building site in Davao City. Mario, the carpenter, checks his payslip, and this week, the total needs two calculations, not one. By the end of this video, you can follow written steps to finish any multi-step calculation at work. A multi-step calculation is a math problem you break down and solve one piece at a time in a specific order. There are three habits. Number one, read the step first. Number two, one step at a time and write each answer. And number three, carry your answer forward. The answer from step one often feeds step two. Let's use the three habits on Mario's pay. The slip gives the steps. First, multiply hours by rate and then add the overtime. His timesheet is the form that records his hours. It shows 40 regular hours, 90 pesos hourly rate, and 600 pesos overtime pay. For step 1, which two number does step 1 need? First, multiply hours by rate, and then we had to add overtime for step 2. So to solve, that is, multiply 40 hours by 90 pesos. So we have 3,600 pesos. Then, we add the overtime. Since we have 600 pesos for overtime, we add it to 3,600 pesos. So we obtain 4,200 pesos. And for Maria's weekly pay, that is 4,200 pesos. A common trap is doing both steps in your head at once. Rusty, not wrong, but writing each answer down is what keeps the math correct. Now it's your turn. As two-step discount. A life jacket costs 500 pesos and the store gives a 20% discount. Step 1, we have to multiply 500 by 20% to find the discount. And then step 2, we have to subtract it. How much will you pay? Let's take a pause and solve for the problem. To answer, that's 500 times 0.20 or 20% is equal to 100 pesos off. For step 2, we subtract it and we have 500 pesos minus 100 pesos, that's equal to 400 pesos, with 100 carried forward again. For our recap, let's keep three terms: read, solve, and carry forward. For a quick self-check, let's try this on your own and each answer shows both steps. Question number 1. Lina cleans rooms at a hotel in Baguio City. She worked 30 hours at 80 pesos per hour plus 500 pesos overtime pay. What is her total pay? Show both steps. Pause this video and answer. Let's check. For step 1, we have 30 times 80 pesos. That will give us 2,400 pesos. Now, we write down 2,400 before we start step 2. So, for step 2, we add 2,400 by 500. Then, we obtain 2,900. And her total pay is 2,900 pesos. Do we have the same answer? Let's proceed with question number 2. A welding apron costs 240 pesos with a 25% discount. How much will you pay? Show both steps. Let's pause and take time to answer the following. For our answer, step 1, we multiply 25% to 240 pesos. So we obtain 60 pesos off. For step 2, we subtract 240 pesos by 60 pesos. So we have 180 pesos. The total pay is 180 pesos. The 60 pesos from step 1 was carried into step 2. And finally, for our last question, Oscar buys 5 kilograms of rice at 56 pesos per kilogram for a canteen, plus a 25 pesos delivery fee. What's the total cost? Show both steps. Take a pause and answer the following. For our answer, step 1, we multiply 5 by 56, so we obtain 280 pesos. Since we have an additional fee for our delivery fee, that's addition. So we add 25 pesos by 280 pesos. That's why we have 305 pesos. So the total cost of Oscar is equal to 305 pesos. I hope you have learned something today, and let's see each other on our next lesson.